everyone, my name is Brittany and I want to demo this sweet robot car made with an Arduino that Omar and I made.
Hi everyone.
So I'll give you a little rundown on the parts. This is the Arduino itself, Arduino Uno, and here's the motor controller, which controls the motors, which turn the wheels. And got the breadboard connecting some things, and the ultrasonic sensor, which, as I'll demonstrate soon, will make it so he can detect when he's going to run into something, and then we'll change his direction. So his name is Domo, and these are rechargeable batteries we're using. So let's give it a whirl. Let's see. We also programmed him to be activated with a remote control. So, as you can see, when he detects an object, he'll rotate.
Yeah, he's doing a good job. We have those lights on him on the top, and they're just for fun. They're sharing the breadboard with the infrared sensor.
It's hard to see in the light, but when he does rotate, the lights change colors. So the way this ultrasonic detector works is it bounces off one side emits a wave, and then when it bounces back on something, the other one intercepts the wave, the bounce back, and that's how it determines the distance by how long it took for the bounce back. So it's kind of like a bat echolocation. I think that's good. So there we have it.